Airdopes 170. Hello, today we'll discover why boAt Airdopes 170 is the perfect choice for gamers. First up, let's talk about the astounding battery life. With up to 50 hours of playback on a single charge on case and up to 9 hours on the buds, you can enjoy your favorite tunes all week long without worrying about charging. Charging your Airdopes 170 is a breeze. It takes just 1.5 to 2 hours for a full charge, and if you're in a hurry, a quick 10-minute charge gives you a whopping 180 minutes of playback with the ASAP charge feature. Whether you are in a crowded place or a noisy environment, the Airdopes 170, equipped with ENx technology, ensures crystal clear voice calls. Stay connected without any interference. The Airdopes 170 features 4 built-in microphones, guaranteeing that your voice comes through loud and clear during calls. Gamers, listen up. The Airdopes 170 offers a 50 millisecond low latency beast mode for gaming, ensuring that your in-game actions are synced perfectly with the sound. No lag, just pure gaming excitement. Express your style with a variety of color options. You can choose from classic black, frost white or tranquil blue, so your Airdopes match your vibe. Let's unwrap the package and see what you'll get inside. So to summarize, these earbuds offer low latency of 50 milliseconds, 50 hours total playback time, 10-minute charge equals to 180-minute playtime, quad mic, IPX5. So why wait? Grab your boAt Airdopes 170 today at Amazon.